Still a rectangular storage with open top. And it's going to have a volume of 20 cubic meters. So that means the volume is 20. And let's see what they tell us here. The length of its base is 3 times its width. Oops, sorry about that. So base, so I'm going to have 3W and W this time, right? Length of its base is 3 times its width. Okay, and then I have a height of H. Oh, look at those typos. Okay, so now what are they asking me? So I know that this is going to be 3W squared H, really similar to what we had in the last problem. Now we got to take into account how much things cost. Okay, so the cost, see, the cost for each of the sides is $6 per square meter. So $6, and then let's do the area of these guys. So I would have 2 WHs, right? That side, and then the one back here. And then let's do this side here. So this side here would have area 3WH, and I'd have 2 of them. 3WH, and I would have also a cost of $6. And then I've got the area of the bottom, and they tell me that the base costs $10. So that's going to be the $10, and then the area of the base would be 3W squared. Phew, okay, let's fix that up. So here I get 12 HW. Here I get 36 HW, and then here I get 30W squared. Right, this is what I'm using, right? So I'm going to make some room here. I'm using this to be able to substitute in, right? So this tells me if I take and solve for H, 20 over 3W squared is H. So I'm going to substitute that in everywhere there's an H. How about we join these two terms together? Before we go do that, though. So I would get a 48HW plus 30W squared. Substitute this in. So that's 20 over 3W squared. So for instead of H, I'd have 20 over 3W squared plus 30W squared. Okay, so let's see. We simplified it a little bit here. So I know 48 divided by 3 is 16. So I'd have a 16 times 20 over a W, right? And then plus a 3W squared times 20. Okay, so 320. So let's go take the derivative. So C prime, this turns out to be 320. So I'd have a negative 320 over a W squared plus a 60W. Set that equal to 0. Let's come back up here again. Long problems, right? Okay, so then let's do this. Okay, so I'm setting it equal to 0. So I know this will give me 320 W over W squared equals 60W. So I get 320 divided by 60 is W cubed. So 32. I'm not going to be a nice number. 32 divided by 6. 32. Okay, so 16/3 is W cubed. And so W will equal the cube root of 16 over 3. And then we had our H, right? I guess I erased it. But I know my H was equal to 20 over 3W squared. So H will be 20 over 3. And then instead of the W, I put this in. So I'd have 2/3 power of this 16 over 3. Wow.